Confined space safety for septic systems on tiny houses demands strict procedures before anyone opens a tank or aeration treatment unit. Always treat tanks and aerobic treatment units as permit confined spaces even if they are small, because toxic gases and oxygen deficiency can incapacitate a person quickly. Begin with a written entry plan that lists roles, step-by-step tasks, and emergency contacts so everyone knows expectations before work starts. Before opening any access, isolate mechanical and electrical energy using lockout and tagout to prevent pumps or mixers from starting unexpectedly. Perform atmospheric testing at the hatch lip and down 2 different depths using a calibrated gas meter that measures oxygen, combustible gases, and hydrogen sulfide and record results. If oxygen is below 19.5% or hazardous gas levels exceed action limits, ventilate mechanically until safe readings persist. Use continuous forced ventilation when practical and position inlet and exhaust to create through flow rather than just blowing into the space. Always use a full body harness with a retrieval system anchored outside the access and ensure the attendant maintains clear, unobstructed sightline or communication with the entrant at all times. 3 common mistakes are sending a homeowner or untrained worker into a tank without atmospheric testing, relying on passive ventilation or short bursts of air, and skipping the attendant or rescue planning. For the first, never enter until a trained person documents safe air readings and lockout tagout is in place, and if you do not have the equipment, hire a trained contractor who does. For the second, use continuous forced mechanical ventilation and verify airflow actually clears the breathing zone for the duration of the task, rather than assuming a fan at the hatch is sufficient. For the third, always have a dedicated observer who is trained to raise the alarm and initiate retrieval and emergency medical response, and keep concise written procedures posted at the access point that describe the entry checklist and who to call. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors suited to septic and confined space work, and to help contractors find jobs in their area. We also host a discussion community where members share practical tips, post project photos, and ask questions so our users learn safer maintenance practices together.